I've got the secret for soft lips coming up next. Hey there, chickadee, how you doing today? Thanks so much for joining me. I'm your real chick Carla on Real Chicks TV, and today we are talking the perfect pucker. Soft lips, yes, especially this time of year, those lips can get dry and cracked, and we don't want that. We want soft, kissable lips year-round, and I'm going to tell you how to do that today. You're going to need a couple of very simple things. You're going to need a toothbrush, one that is soft bristles and one that is specifically designated just for your lips. You don't want to use the same one that you use on your teeth, so just get an inexpensive soft bristle brush from your local store, and you can use this exclusively for your lips. You're also going to need a lip balm, whether it be Vaseline, or I am using the original Cashmere on Lip Pots from Emile Cordon. So what we're going to do is take some lip balm and put it on our lips, because we want to get that dry skin a little soft. So just put those lips together. And for me, I get the most dry on this inner part of my mouth, so I make sure that I go on the inside as well. So once you have your lip balm on, just let that soften up for a minute or so. Then take your toothbrush and, starting in the center in circular motions, and I'm going to make a pucker because I want to get those inside parts of my lips. Just make circular motions and go all around your lips. Now you don't want to brush hard and you don't want to push too firmly. Just in circular motions, working your way all the way around. Get that top lip. And for me, it really is easier to pucker and do them both at the same time. And what this does is get off any dead skin that you've got on your lips, any of that dead dry skin that's just kind of hanging around, that just makes your lipstick look all icky, and that also makes your lips feel horrible as well. So this is going to remove this, especially if you do it on a regular basis. Now, just as important as getting that dead dry skin off is using a lip treatment, and I am going to use today these brand new Haute Couture lip balms from Emile Cordon. They have got a new release of several beautiful shades and beautiful scents, and that's what I'm going to use today. This first one, the luxury lip balm, is in Charlotte, and they come in this beautiful box. They also come with a spatula so that it stays sanitary for you. So I'm going to take the spatula, and this is a gorgeous, gorgeous red. It's called Charlotte. It is a limited edition, so if you want it, get it quickly. I'm just going to take that off the spatula and on to my lips. I am loving this red. But the nice thing about this red is it's a sheer red. It's not an in-your-face vampy red. Now, this is not just a lip balm. This is a lip treatment. And that's why I think it's so important when you're taking care of your lips and you're doing this step with the toothbrush, that you follow it up with more than just your ordinary drugstore lip balm. This is a luxurious lip treatment. It nourishes your lips. It's also anti-aging. It fights fine lines. It helps improve the texture and even the circulation around your lips. So this is a true lip treatment. They have got some beautiful shades. Now, I showed you this one in Charlotte, this gorgeous red. Then we have this beautiful russet shade, and this is called Madison Queen, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, Madison Queen. It is a gorgeous russet shade. We also have powdered rose. I'm not only wearing powdered rose on my lips, but today I have it on my cheeks as well, because these are designed to be both a 2-in-1 lip and cheek tint, so you can use it on your lips and on your cheeks. So I put the powdered rose on my cheeks today, and I really like the very nice natural flush that it gave to my cheeks. I think it's very pretty, very soft. And as we get older, you know, we really want a softer look. We don't want that harsh look that ages us even more. And I think a cream product on your cheeks can really help make you have a more youthful appearance. So I'm loving the powdered rose on my cheeks as well as my lips. We also have the shade Chick Chick Boom, which is a beautiful rose. And we have some clear balms. I have Moroccan Mint, which this just smells not only like mint, but it reminds me of the liqueur Midori, which has a little bit of a melon scent to it. This is just fabulous. And we have Mandarin Orange as well. They have other ones as well. I encourage you to check out the website, emilecordon.com. They did send these to me, and I'm thrilled to be able to tell you about them, because this is luxury in a pot. If you are serious about lip care and serious about giving your lips a true treatment, this is the way to go. They are not cheap. They're on the pricey side, but these are huge pots. I have heard some people say that these pots, one pot alone, has lasted them for 1.5 years. So if you break that down by the week, that's not very expensive at all. And the great thing about the clear ones is you can also use them on your cuticles as well. Makes a very nice treatment on your cuticles. I go to bed with this Moroccan Mint every single night, and when I wake up in the morning, my lips are so soft and so smooth. And so we're getting the dead skin off. That's very important with step 1, but following it up with a proper lip treatment is a very important part of the process as well. Now, I have got a giveaway for you. I received 6 of the beautiful lip pots from Emile Cordon, and I'm giving 2 of them to you. You are going to receive Chick Chick Boom, which is a beautiful rose shade, and you're also going to receive Mandarin Garden, which smells like an orange grove. It's absolutely heavenly. So you're getting a nice medium rose tone, and you're getting a clear one as well. And it's very simple to enter. You have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to like this video and make sure that when you're subscribed that the notification bell is turned on. All of the other contest rules and the link to follow to enter are in the description box below. So just open it up. You'll see a Gleam link. And that's how you're going to enter. Just follow that. There are also bonus entries for you every day as well. Going to run this contest for a few days. I'll put the exact dates in the description box as well as on the screen for you. Good luck, and I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to get baby soft lips that are perfectly kissable, whether it's for Valentine's Day or every single day of the year. I'm your real chick, Carla. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. You gotta be subscribed, you gotta like the video, and you gotta have that notification bell smashed in order to win. Don't forget to enter the contest. Until next time, hope you enjoyed this. Love you. Bye-bye.